Well, good Thursday afternoon to y'all. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a show enough good Thursday. But I'm here to tell you, it's probably in the low 60s over here in east central Mississippi. Expecting some rain, so hopefully we'll get some tomorrow. Before we get off in this video, I always like to welcome all the new subscribers to the channel. And I also like to say that if you are returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here in the sticks, I thank y'all for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is I figured let's do a small fall garden update so I can just show y'all what I still have going on over here at my home in the sticks. Give me a second, that's what we finna do. All right, let's start off in the no-till raised beds over here. I'm here to tell you, the garlic is growing really good. It's looking really good. Got them guys mulched in. Hopefully we can get some rain and get them watered in tomorrow. So the garlic is still growing. Guess the rabbits don't like garlic. They haven't messed with it, and that's a good thing. Take a walk over here by the earth bed and I'll show you what I still have growing on over there. And I also like to show you some future plans that I have for the gardening section over here on the north side of the 40. Okay, earth bed. Still have some Georgia collards growing. My broccoli is still there. The Napa cabbage is definitely still growing. My kale, not really doing too good. Rabbits have pretty much ate all of that. Swiss chard is gone. I still have a few stonehead cabbages that are still there. I doubt they're gonna grow, given it's so late in the season. So what Skylar and I decided to do was we said to heck with it. We're just gonna let this garden play out and harvest and be thankful for what we can get out of it. And I agree. I didn't do anything with the chicken wire because I have some other plans that I'm gonna do. One being my pepper patch. I'm gonna pull this raised bed and move it. If not move it, it's been in place probably for the last, I don't know, maybe 8 or 9 years. So we're gonna get rid of this pepper patch. And the plan is to extend the raised bed. We're gonna bring that raised bed out another 20-25 feet and maybe stop it right here just short of the blueberry bushes. So we'll have a pretty big area to do some earth bed gardening. So this is a future plan. We're gonna work on this probably we're gonna work on this during the winter time and maybe get this ground ready to go for the spring. There's a shot of my avocado tree. Not doing too good. I've been keeping him covered up at night because of the frost that we've been getting. Still have some green stuff down here, but all of this stuff on the top, not doing too good. Maybe it will survive, maybe it will not. I had some plans on building like a small mini hoop house for it. We still might do that. It's just time is not on my side most of the time when it comes to getting out here during the week and getting things done. Just gets dark way too late, or too early, should I say. Here's a shot of my transplant green onions. Lord, they are growing away. Showing off like some green onions over here. So I wanted to do just a small update just to show you what's growing on over here. Or should I say what's not growing on over here anymore. But it's okay. We live and we learn. And I think when it comes time to tear that pepper patch down and get that earth bed going again, we're gonna put some chicken wire up around the perimeter of the earth bed to keep the rabbits out. Then again, neighbors down the road, I'd asked him if he had rabbits that get in his garden. He says, yeah, they get in, but he's got fencing around his garden. But he did say that whenever there's a period of no rain, it seems like the rabbits just go wild and eat everything. Now that we've gotten a little bit of rain, I could say the rabbits haven't really gotten in the earth bed garden because I still have some leafy green matter still growing over there. So who knows? So y'all, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Just a little update on what's going on over here. Again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Thursday, and I hope y'all looking forward to the weekend. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homeless Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Refer showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You get your shine on. It's important. Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.